As the world awaits the union of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant, the pre-wedding festivities have already set a new standard of opulence and grandeur. Embarking on a journey across continents, the couple's second pre-wedding bash unfurled amidst the azure waters of the Mediterranean, offering guests a 3-day sojourn aboard a luxury cruise ship that traversed from Italy to France. But this extravagant celebration is merely one facet of the Ambani saga, a tale woven with threads of unparalleled luxury and unabashed indulgence. Jamnagar Extravaganza, a prelude to opulence. The first pre-wedding bash in Jamnagar was a spectacle to behold, drawing luminaries from Bollywood and beyond into its mesmerizing embrace. With a galaxy of stars and moguls gracing the occasion, the Ambanis spared no expense in ensuring a memorable experience for their esteemed guests. A fleet of charter flights, in a testament to their commitment to unparalleled hospitality, the Ambanis orchestrated 10 charter flights to transport their high-profile guests from various corners of the globe to Barcelona, where the festivities awaited. Additionally, 12 private aircraft were reserved to accommodate family members, business associates, and event personnel, showcasing their unwavering dedication to seamless travel experiences. Chauffeur-driven luxury cars. Upon touchdown in Barcelona, guests were greeted by 150 luxurious automobiles, including Rolls-Royces, Bentleys, and Mercedes-Benz, ensuring that every journey was as abundant as the destination itself. A luxurious cruise, the piece de resistance of the pre-wedding extravaganza, the Celebrity Ascent, played host to approximately 800 VIP guests as it charted a course through the Mediterranean splendor from Italy to the south of France. Reveling in unparalleled luxury, the attendees were treated to a showcase of world-class entertainment, with performances by global icons such as Katy Perry and Pitbull leaving an indelible mark on their hearts. Karimnagar Silver Filigree Jewelry, a nod to indigenous craftsmanship, guests were presented with exquisitely crafted silver filigree jewelry from the skilled artisans of Karimnagar, underscoring the Ambani's commitment to celebrating India's rich heritage. Jamnagar Delights, bespoke tokens of affluence. At the heart of the Jamnagar soiree lay a treasure trove of bespoke gifts, each meticulously curated to reflect the essence of the occasion and the host's boundless generosity. Louis Vuitton bags, symbolizing luxury in its purest form, guests were bestowed with customized Louis Vuitton bags, a gesture of appreciation that spoke volumes of the Ambani's discerning taste. Custom-designed duffel bags by Bombay Artisan Company, embracing local craftsmanship, attendees received handcrafted duffel bags from Bombay Artisan Company, adorned with intricate motifs inspired by Vantara, the animal rehabilitation center championed by Anant Ambani. Gold chains, a symbol of enduring elegance, gold chains were presented to guests as a token of gratitude, further elevating the aura of opulence that permeated the festivities. Designer footwear and nightwear, ensuring that every aspect of their guests' comfort was meticulously attended to, the Ambanis extended gifts of designer footwear and stylish nightwear, a testament to their commitment to unparalleled hospitality. Candles from Sunrise Candle, championing local artisans, the Ambanis sourced special candles from Sunrise Candle, a Mahabaleshwar-based company renowned for its exquisite craftsmanship and social responsibility. Bandhani in Pathani scarves, paying homage to India's rich cultural heritage, guests received intricately woven Bandhani in Pathani scarves, crafted by skilled artisans from Kutch and Lalpur, a poignant reminder of the timeless allure of tradition.